Thanks for watching this video today. My name is Matt Heggelund. I'm the product manager for MPOWR Envision. In this video, we're going to review what was included in our April release, which all customers received automatically during the last week of April. I'm going to dive right in as I'm already into Envision and already on my dashboard. We're going to be using our Scoops plan today, which is a plan we created around a fictitious ice cream company for demonstration purposes. The first enhancements we're going to cover impact the KPI area. From the strategy overview, we're going to navigate to the KPI dashboard. From here, let's say I want to set up a new KPI, but I want to do it quick and easy by copying or duplicating an existing KPI. In this scenario, I'm going to choose this 2020 Sales East region. Let's say I want to duplicate this so I can track the West region in a separate KPI. If I click into this KPI I want to copy, I'm going to click into the ellipsis in the upper right corner and choose the copy option. Once I click copy, I'm going to get this pop up. At this point, I can give this new KPI a different name, description, change owner. What is really cool is this toggle to open up the configuration page after I click publish. For my purposes, I'm going to toggle it on so we can see what this experience looks like. When I click publish, I'm going to be brought to this KPI configuration page. You'll notice the type of KPI, all of the configuration fields, including the start and target dates, and target values are all copied from the East region KPI to the West region. You can adjust these as needed, but for my purposes, I'm going to click Save. Another KPI enhancement included in this release is a pop-up display of the health tolerance for each period. Let's click into a KPI and take a look. On the data point grid, I can hover above any health indicator and see where my actual value falls on the health tolerance for that period. This is super handy and allows you to quickly analyze where that actual value falls in the range without having to leave the page. While we're talking about KPIs, since February, we've been working diligently on revamping our KPI functionality. We have a few major enhancements still planned, but they will not be ready in time to have a release in May. While we are extremely sad not to bring you anything new in May, we think you will be delighted when you see what the next couple of releases are going to bring you. Our next release will be planned for Wednesday, June 17th, and every monthly release after that is going to fall on the third Wednesday of every month. This schedule of releases should allow you to know when to expect the Envision release and not be surprised as we continue to roll out new functionality. Let's take a look at what else is in this month's release. We've made the search function even faster. We got some feedback from our customers that the search was just too slow. And search being one of the most common activities users performed, we listened. The search results will now return 90% faster than previously. On average, a user performs a manual search 2.5 times during their user session. The search improvement is felt throughout the app. Did you know all the widgets and micro widgets also use the search results? Clicking a widget is basically a saved search filter. It's just preloading the search page with the matching results. On average, a user clicks this type of widget 3 times during their user session. We hope you enjoy the faster experience. Speaking of widgets, we've made the Reminders widget more useful for plan administrators. If I go to my dashboard and add a new widget, I'm going to choose the Reminders widget. After adding the widget, I'm going to click the filter icon and I will see a new drop-down for My Reminders or All Reminders. All Reminders is going to show you the entire plan. This is very powerful to keep an eye on the current state of your plan's execution. Let's say I train my organization that I want all progress updates entered by end of day Friday. On Monday morning, I can come in, I can take a look at the All Reminders widget and see everything that wasn't updated and reach out to people so I can hold them accountable. This All Reminders comes from a customer submitted idea. Just a reminder, no pun intended, you can submit suggestions, ideas for future versions of Envision by clicking the Help menu and clicking Submit an Idea. We value your feedback and try to include at least one idea into every one of our releases. Thanks for watching this video. As we continually strive for improvement, we will record a video like this with each of our monthly releases and keep you up to date. Just a reminder though, we won't have a May release, but we cannot wait to talk to you in June. Thanks again.